know if you were ready or you're still looking up something.
Let me know when you want the darkness.
Second on boss's tail. Darkness now. Double shout.
Healing tides down.
Get ready for debuff.
There it is.
All right, gonna X marker and skull marker. Who's that? Who's that? MK to get skull marker. MK to skull marker. MK skull marker.
I'm going to skull.
MK skull. God damn you, mage.
My bad.
You can take boss.
Go.
Prime. Yeah, moving out.
I just use my growl on dude.
Oh,
I got it now.
Alright, you're good. You're good. Happens.
Get ready. 15 seconds on it. Get ready.
Make sure we get square and skull again.
We're gonna square and skull. And be on these markers, please, where their markers are. Get ready, 5 seconds. Get ready.
Got boss, you got ads, Prime. Whenever they come out.
Alright, good. Right there,
Right in
good.
the middle.
Purple void, no.
Chuck,
Too far away.
blue,
Square.
Chuck. Perfect.
Got it.
Stay there, stay where you are. Good job, perfect. Get these ads down.
Alright, you gotta take boss, I'll get the ads.
Kill these ads.
Shit. Just lost arrows to that.
We're doing moon and star.
Alright, I got boss, you got ads.
10 seconds on debuff, pay attention. Moon and star. 5 seconds, pay attention.
I'm going to
Go to moon, go.
Good job,
Perfect,
good job.
perfect.
I'm on moon.
Stay there. Good job. We're not going to be able to get that orange, so pay attention to healers.
I have Spirit Link for it.
Alright. We're going to be going to the other side too.
Alright, take boss. And
There's an orange pop a worm that we need to have ranged on.
Yeah, range has got to be on it instantly.
yeah, you get. Oh, it might come. Oh. Just go into the next container.
Alright, so get ready. Injection. Oh, we might be able to do it. Maybe?
We should be able to.
Nah, he's going to hit it. So we're going with X and purple if you have it. Oh, everybody get that ad down. Quick. Morale cry. Interrupt.
Oh.
Heal me.
I'm drinking mana right now.
Interrupt.
There we go.
Take a shout.
Yeah.
Alright. Get in Spirit Link. You're just to die.
Get up, Prime. Okay, thank you.
Get these ads down. Everybody on ads.
Take boss as soon as you're up, Prime.
Mana tides down.
I'll get the ad.
15 seconds on next debuff. Get the ads down. Ads, get them down. Good job.
Good job, guys. Rinse and repeat. Keep doing the same thing.
We're doing 5 seconds. Orange and
Did you
red.
take him on purpose?
Orange and red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Blender has red.
Other got orange. But we have debuff orange. Orange marker.
Double
Who's the other one?
orange.
Double orange.
orange.
Stay there. You dropped the last second. Alright, fine.
Got one of them.
Alright, you can take boss. Take boss, Prime.
Ad way over here. Interrupt. Get this
Can I
ad
get
down, guys.
Innovate? Can Agamemnon get Innovate if somebody has it up?
I already used it. Sorry.
Okay.
Good job. We're doing orange is gonna blow up soon. We're doing star and moon. Pay attention, star and moon.
Good job, guys. Good
Healers,
job.
get ready for a debuff.
I have Spirit Link. Let me know.
It's happening right now. Ads are up, small ads. Get these
I
ads
got
down.
goat
Alright,
got
take boss.
gold. Goat
Perfect,
got
good,
gold.
good. Don't move, don't move, don't move. We have a lot of ads here.
Noob
Everybody
killer.
focus these ads.
Prime take boss.
Prime.
Alright, good. Focus these ads down. Double shout.
Healing tide's down too.
I got darkness.
Prime
If we get
up.
the ads, we're good. Not yet, not
Prime's
yet.
down.
Darkness now. Okay.
Dropped it.
We get prime
I'm
up.
down.
Stun these ads.
Someone get Prime up.
We can't yet.
Getting him. Prime up.
He's up. He's up. He's up.
All
Yeah,
right.
we have one
We're good.
available. Yeah.
Removing the boss.
Yep.
All the ads are down. Good job.
Oh, there's one right here.
Dead. I'm dead.
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Thanks, Ted.
Move the boss down.
Alright. Just focus
Second
boss.
bots.
Use all personals right here during his law personals. Dodge swirls.
Dead worm.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Nice.
Yes. Nice
Rock
job.
over that chart.
Nice.
Jesus.
I get him way down.